National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania. Blair County in central Pennsylvania. 5 miles. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially from Hollidaysburg, Roaring Spring, New Enterprise, Martinsburg, Lakemont, Bellwood, Crescent, Gillespie, Claysburg, Williamsburg, and...
Damn. Snow squall warning. Hold on just 1 second. .52 might even be done already. Yep. Wow, okay.
Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. Slow down.
Ah, you kidding me? Stupid interference. Or did 42 go off the air? Which one is it? Which one is it? Did 42 go off the air? Yeah, wow. Oh no. Well, that was a snow squall warning, but the stupid interference had to get in the way. Yeah, the stupid interference had to get in the way, but I got a snow squall warning. That was cool.